So Christmas is over then, and suddenly the idea of studying again feels physically painful. Your brain is slow and your motivation is missing. If that's you, you're not broken, you're not behind, and you are definitely not the only student nurse feeling that right now. Hello, you're on Shift with Sean, the platform that empowers student nurses with the knowledge, the tools and the support to build confidence in practice. Today I'm going to share 10 practical ways to get back into study mode after Christmas without the burnout, without the guilt. So start then with a soft reset in January. Let's be honest, most student nurses go from Christmas pajamas to full-on academic robot in 24 hours, and that's why it feels so awful. So start with a soft reset. Reset your space. A cluttered room is a cluttered mind. 20 minutes is all you need. Strip and wash your bedding, clear your desk, put away all those Christmas gifts, throw away old notes, open the window and light a candle. This signals your brain that we're shifting back into the study routine. You also need to reset your sleep schedule, so start going to bed 20 minutes earlier each night and waking up at the same time daily. Get some light in the morning, open those curtains first thing and get outside. It helps to reset that circadian rhythm. You also need to reset your mindset. Don't aim for ultimate productivity. Make a tiny list of 3 things each day and mix that study with rest. Planning the whole term in January is going to be really overwhelming. So instead, do 1 week study jumpstart. So something like on day 1, organise your deadlines, your timetables and your placement dates. Day 2, reread those pre-Christmas notes. Day 3, break assignments into chunks. Day 4, do 1 tiny academic task. Day 5, prep your placement bag and everything you need to do and learn for placement. Day 6, set up your study environment. Day 7, do a short 1 to 2 hour study session. A week is achievable. A whole term will feel like an Everest at the start of January. January brain is real. Your attention span actually shrinks after Christmas. The fix, just 20 minutes. So set a timer for 20 minutes. Choose 1 small task. Stop the timer when it ends and stop doing whatever it is you've decided to do. And then you can decide whether you're going to keep going or you're going to stop. Now, the hardest part of studying is starting, and this 20 minutes, this trick actually tricks your brain into doing exactly that. You'll find that you find the flow and actually you'll want to do a bit more. And if you don't, well, you've still chipped at least 20 minutes of study. Student nurses panic because they see huge tasks as massive mountains. So shrink them. Don't say, today I'm going to write 2,000 words in my assignment. Say, I'm going to find 3 sources. I'm going to write 150 words. I'm going to draft the intro and I'm going to reference one of the sections. Small tasks are and feel doable, and that's what you need this January. Most student nurses don't have 3 or 4 hours quiet time to do study, so do study sprints instead when you're a little bit further into January and you know what you need to do. So do 20 minutes on and 5 minutes off and repeat 3 to 4 times. Or you can even do mini sprints like 10 minutes on and 2 minutes off. Those short bursts are more focused and you get less burnout and more consistency. When I try and do some research for 2 hours, I end up procrastinating and quickly realise I'd have been better off having smaller study chunks with regular breaks to help with that motivation. Build routine first and motivation comes second. Everyone thinks that motivation magically appears. It does not. Routine builds motivation and not the other way around. So try studying in the same place, having a study start alarm, and pairing study with a habit like a coffee and a laptop opening. When your brain expects to study, that mental battle disappears. Use accountability to your advantage. There's nothing like having somebody else working beside you that makes your brain behave. So try studying in coffee shops where there are other people, Zoom study sessions with friends, weekly check-ins with your cohort, and telling your friends your goals and what you've done this week. Having someone in the room just boosts your focus and at least makes you look like you are doing something productive. Prepare for your placements early. If placement is coming up, studying feels harder because you're already stressed. So remove that decision making. Wash your uniform, pack your placement bag, get snacks ready, get your travel plan sorted and make a study schedule around those shifts. Make your first week back a calm one. Your mind is full and it Full minds don't study well. Empty onto paper every task, every errand, every deadline, every worry. Then highlight the most urgent things and choose 3 priorities for your week. Now, if you really want to make a habit of this and get hold of your well-being in the new year, then check out my nursing well-being journal, which has weekly and monthly check-ins to make sure you prioritize your self-care, you reset your mind and align your goals with your mission for this year. It's available on my website. I'll put the link in the description, so get yours before they sell out this new year. The last tip is to be kind to yourself. You've just come out of winter pressures, exhaustion, disrupted sleep, emotional overload, bank shifts and a full term of study. Of course, your brain is going to be tired. So recover faster with rest, hydration, sleep, proper food, gentle movement and self-kindness. You cannot study when your body and your mind is drained. So these are my tips for getting your motivation back this January after a long Christmas break, and to get you back into study mode to make this year the most productive year yet. You are closer than ever to finishing your nursing degree, so keep going. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new student nurse content. So check the description for my free study resources, including a free wellbeing check-in tool, my nursing wellbeing journal, study placement support tools, and more student nurse survival tips. Be kind to yourself. We've got this.